Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the Thorium 300. This is a gaming keyboard from Element Gaming. Okay, so first of all we can see that this is a nice colourful illustrated box here with a picture of the keyboard on the front. Switching over to the back of the package, we have another diagram of the keyboard lit up itself because this is a backlit keyboard. And over here on the side we have some information on the keyboard itself. Comfortable ergonomic design, lights up keys for fast gaming recognition, perfect key travel and pressure sensitivity, durable laser carved characters, impressive modern design characteristics, user defined and shortcut function keys. Okay, so let's open this up and have a look inside. Okay, so as soon as we open the box, here we can see that the box itself is lined with a foam material to keep the keyboard safe and secure during transport. We have the keyboard in a soft protective bag, so we'll just come back to the keyboard in a moment. First of all, we'll see what else is in here. We also have a CD of sorts floating around in the bottom of the box. I'm not sure what that's about, so I'll have a look at that in a short while. And of course we have the manual itself, which basically tells you more in-depth information about the keyboard and the controls and how to set it up to your own preference. Okay, so here we are with the keyboard out of the packaging. As we can see, it is a nice soft black plastic design. We have some nice keys here, nice decent travel and a nice tactile feel. Having a closer look, here we have some programmable shortcut function keys here. Along the top we have some multimedia keys. So we've got one there for Internet Explorer and email and some various functions there. And then on this side here we have a play pause button, stop, that looks like a mute button, and then a volume down and a volume up. Having a closer look at the cable, here we can see that it comes with a gold plated USB plug, and also the cable itself is a braided cable and is striped black and blue, which is rather nice. Okay, so let's get this thing plugged in and check out all the backlit functions and the programmable macro keys. Okay folks, so here we are with the keyboard plugged in. Straight away we can see that the Element logo has illuminated in blue and the keyboard and surrounded illumination is in red. So what we can do is, using the function key here, if we hold that down and we press F1, which is the red, which is what it's already on. If we go to F2, it goes blue, and function and F3 makes it go a purpley colour. I'll show you these examples with the lights off in a moment because it's quite difficult to see in these lighting conditions. Then also using the numeric keypad, if you use 8, that will go into a pulsating mode, so it will dim, come back up, dim, and come back up. And then if we go down one, that will be on full brightness, which it stays on constantly, and then you can take it down by a couple more steps. So I like to leave it on the full brightness because that's the best way it looks. So if we just put the illumination back onto blue for the moment, and then what we can do is, using the function and the element key in the top corner here, we can actually change the colour of the Element logo as well. So that will go red and it will change illumination red. Purple, it changes illumination purple. We've also got green, yellow, and then back to blue. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll just quickly run through those examples with the lights off so you can get a better view of the keyboard. Okay, so here we are with the lights turned off. First of all, I'll show you the pulsating light. So that's function and 8, and that will take illumination down and up automatically. like so. Then that is on full brightness, then we step down to half and then off. Okay, so we'll leave the rest of the keyboard on full brightness. Next of all, we'll change the illumination to red. So that's what it looks like in red. And we'll change it to purple. That's the purple colour. And just changing it back to blue. Using the function and the element key, we can change the colour of the element logo, and this does change the colour of the illumination as well, but you can still change it individually afterwards. So we've got red, we've got a purple, green, yellow, and then back to blue. Also included on the DVD that's enclosed is the software driver and utility to set up your macro buttons for the shortcut keys, and you can actually assign them to individual games as well. You've got 5 profiles available within the app, so that's quite handy for those of you that play games via Windows. Okay, and just having a look at the bottom of the keyboard, here we can see we've got a glossy plastic. We've also got some drainage holes here if you do have the unfortunate mishap of spilling a drink on this. Also, we have some flip out feet if you wish to elevate the keyboard slightly, and also we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rubber feet to stop it sliding around on the desk. Okay folks, so that is the Thorium 300 gaming keyboard from Element Gaming. I'd like to say a massive thank you to eBuyer for sending this out for review. If you do wish to purchase one of these, I'll provide a link in the description below where you can purchase one from Amazon. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.